Hey there, welcome to my channel where we dive into love, life, and everything in between, all unfiltered. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Good day, beautiful people. How are you doing? Welcome back to another episode of me telling you what I know. So today we'll be talking about, specific tools like softwares tailored for specific content type. I don't even get my point. Like, if you want to be like an Instagram creator, tools that are good for Instagram creators. If you want to be a creator for TikTok, tools that you know good for TikTok creators, things like that. That is what we'll be talking about today. So generally, first thing I'll tell you is your strategy. Choose your niche. Define your audience for however platform you want to create content for. First strategy should be choosing your niche, defining your audience. From there you create 5 to 10 videos or content that you can post. With this creating of videos and content, you can batch create your content. Like if you're a very busy type, once you have the opportunity to do it, you can batch create your content, then you post, release them one by one. This is something I personally do because I do not have the luxury of the time to sit down every single day to create content, because apart from creating content, I have other things that I do. So whenever I have the chance, I sit down, I create, because I have a place where I write my content ideas down. So once I know I have the time to create them, just open it up and pick it one after the other, create my videos one after the other, before I now even think of editing or whatever. So it helps you to help you to be able to create a schedule for your posting. It is when you have something to post that you'll be able to create a schedule for it. So you can create your schedule to be posting 1 to 3 times. What works for you is posting once a week, fine. If it's twice a week, fine. If it's 3 times a week, fine. But at least make sure you post at least once a week. This will help in the long run. So, this is something I myself am guilty of. Pray God helps me. So let's start with YouTube creators. Some of the tools you need if you want to be a YouTube content creator is your video editing app. You can use CapCut, the mobile version of the desktop version, and they also have the free version, and the paid version for those who can afford it. I'm always intent on this afford if you watch my videos very well, because I see some people talk about not having the fund to do this, to do that. That is what I'm always talking about. Afford the ability of these things and the free ones. There are free ones. Make use of what you can find on the free ones. Do not wait for when you can pay for the pro versions of these apps. Use whatever you can find on the free versions. So we also have DaVinci Resolve. There's the advanced, there's the free, like I just said. Then for your thumbnails and graphics, you can use your Canva. Canva has so many easy templates. It also has the free version and the pro version. For your voiceover, if you need voiceover for your videos, you can use Audacity. It has a free version also. You can use 11 Labs or Play HT for AI voices. Those ones have free trials. It's a paid app, Or there are these apps that will give you free trials before you get to the paid section. Then for royalty free music, because on YouTube, hey, if you go and use a song that has copyright on it, I have videos on copyright. You can check my previous videos. YouTube will summon you strike or warning, copyright strike or warnings. So I am an advocate of using royalty free music, Beacon. So for that, please just go to your YouTube audio library. There are so many sounds free music there that will meet up to the what should I call it, the tempo of your video. If you need a solemn sound, you will find it there. If you need a sound that's on the bubbling side, you will find it there. So please use your royalty free music. Go to your YouTube audio library, and I think Pixabay too has royalty free sounds, but I haven't checked it out. You can do your research on it. So for your gear, while for creating your YouTube as a YouTube content creator, you can use your smartphone that has a good camera. You can use a basic tripod or phone holder. You can use your clip-on mic. There are so many kinds of mics out there now that will do the job, that are not too expensive. Get one. So that's basically it for YouTube creators. Then if you want to be an Instagram or TikTok creator, some of the tools you also need: CapCut, it's also good too for editing your videos for Instagram or TikTok, because it will give you the aspect ratio for your video. You can also use InShot. Have I ever used InShot before? I don't know, I think so, but I'm not too sure. But I know InShot 2 is quite good. I've seen people talk about it. Then for your designs, your posts, you can use Canva. The Reels templates, the carousels templates, you can use Canva for these things. For trending audio, Instagram and TikTok, you use trending audios. Browse the Reels, browse TikTok, and save trends to use later. It's as simple as that. For your gears too, your smartphone, your ring light, or you can just use natural light. Your Bluetooth remote for solo shots, that's just about it. Not too much gang equipment. Leave the gang equipment for creators that are already there. Or we that just come in, just use what you have, what you can lay your hands on. Try to make it classic. So for podcast creators, some of the tools you will need for your recording and editing: Audacity. You can also use Anchor by Spotify. It has free hosting and publishing. For your mic, you can use a USB mic like Samsung Q2U, Blue Snowball. Then for your cover art, you can use Canva podcast template. Canva has a template for podcasts that you can use as well. So that's just it. So you can see there are not too much equipment required or tools needed. So basically, all in all you need, either it's YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, podcast, whatever, your mindset and habits matters a lot. Start before you are ready. Being ready is when you have all the gang gears I was talking about, all the perfect gears, the touch gears, the classic gears. That is when you are ready. but I am saying start before you are ready, meaning start before all those gears are available to you. Start before you can afford all those gears. Then 2, focus on value. Educate, create content that would educate people, that would entertain, that would inspire. Do not just roam about there. Focus on value. Then another thing you need to do is you need to be consistent and review your analytics weekly. Go to the back end of your platforms, review your analytics weekly to know where you are, what is going on well and what is not going on well, so you know where to make adjustments. Also, make sure you engage with your audience. When they comment, try to reply as many as you can. When they DM you with something you can attend to it. You can also give them polls, like question and answers, just engage and interact with them. So that's basically it. It's as simple as that. So people, at this point, we'll be taking a leave. Thank you for being here. Thank you for staying. I hope you have learned one or two. If you have, drop a comment in the comment section. Let us know what you've learned. For the new subscribers, if you're new here, kindly like, comment, share, and subscribe. For my returning subscribers, thank you for your love. I love you so much. Thank you all. See you next time. Bye.